In this video, we'll show you how you can audit calculations to make sure they are accurate. Once you have verified that your configuration is correct, calculating and releasing statements will only take a few clicks.
To start auditing calculations, go to Calculations and then All Calculations. Open the calculation and click on the Credits tab. When a sale is assigned to someone for attainment purposes, this is a credit. Click on each user to view credited transactions and make sure this is correct.
A more efficient way to audit credits is to export them all to a spreadsheet. Open your calculation and click on Export Credits under the Credits tab. If you'd like, choose specific fields. If you pay commissions per deal, carefully check calculated amounts.
Next, it's time to check attainment and review payouts. For this, click on the Rewards tab and check each value. Here too, you can export the data to a spreadsheet.
Finally, review the Alerts tab of your calculation. In this example, sales cookie is telling us that a transaction could not be credited to John Doe. Fix the data or add the missing user and recalculate. Some warnings may be false positives. They can be suppressed via configuration. We just like to err on the side of caution.
I hope we were able to explain how you can audit calculations. Once we're sure everything is configured correctly, calculating commissions will be a breeze. You'll save a lot of time. Say goodbye to manual commission spreadsheets.